So today we will learn basic English Urdu verbs with complete sentences. So let's start with the first word to play. It means खेलना. We are playing cricket. In Urdu हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. To be होना. You should be there. आपको वहाँ होना चाहिए. It's Urdu. To like पसंद करना. I like her. In Urdu we will say मैं उसे पसंद करता हूँ. To say बोलना. I want to say this. We will say in Urdu मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ. To hear सुनना. I can hear you. मैं आपको सुन सकता हूँ. To go जाना. Go to your home. अपने घर जाओ. We say sometimes others. To know जानना. Do you know something? In Urdu क्या आप कुछ जानते हैं? To take लेना. Take the food. In Urdu we will say खाना ले लो. To see देखना. I saw a movie today. In Urdu we will say मैंने आज एक फिल्म देखी. To come आना. He will not come. वो नहीं आएगा. It's Urdu. To think सोचना. Think about me. In Urdu we will say मेरे बारे में सोचो. To want it means चाहना. What do you want? In Urdu we will say आप क्या चाहते हैं? To give देना. Give me water. मुझे पानी देना. It's very simple to use these words. To use इस्तेमाल करना. Use my pen. मेरी पेन इस्तेमाल करो.